Have you ever wondered if the key to eternal youth lies within us? What if we could clone our own cells, specifically those that are about 15 days old, and reintroduce them into our bodies to rejuvenate ourselves? A thought-provoking concept indeed. This is where the world of science meets the realm of possibility. Cloning isn't a new concept, it's been around for decades, but cloning our own fetal stem cells for rejuvenation, now that's a road less traveled. However, as intriguing as this concept is, it comes with its own set of controversies and debates. On one hand, there are those who argue that this is the ultimate form of self-care. After all, these are your cells. They share your DNA. They are essentially you. And since nerve function hasn't even begun to develop at 15 days, the ethical concerns around sentience and consciousness don't apply. On the other hand, there are those who caution against the potential pitfalls of this approach. They argue that just because we can do something doesn't mean we should. The process of cloning, even at a cellular level, raises questions about the sanctity of life and the potential for misuse. Furthermore, the long-term effects of reintroducing cloned fetal stem cells into our bodies remain unknown. But let's not forget the feasibility of this concept. Cloning is a complex process, and while we've made significant strides, we're still far from perfecting it. Then there's the challenge of reintroducing these cloned cells into the body. How would we ensure they integrate seamlessly? How would we control their growth? These are crucial questions that need answering. In conclusion, the idea of using our own cloned fetal stem cells for rejuvenation is both fascinating and contentious. On the surface, it seems like a potential game changer, a way to tap into the fountain of youth. But dig a little deeper, and it's clear that the ethical, moral, and practical implications are far from straightforward. So, while we ponder on this thought, let's remember that science is a journey. It's a path of discovery, and sometimes the questions we ask are just as important as the answers we find.